Why do businesses never lose track of money no matter how complex things get? Every transaction has two sides. One increases, the other balances it. Debits go on the left. Credits go on the right. This system was introduced over 500 years ago by Luca Pacioli. Earlier, businesses used single-entry accounting. But it failed to track assets and liabilities properly.
To solve this, we use a balance sheet.
Assets equal liabilities plus equity.
When a business takes a loan, assets increase and liabilities increase.
We debit cash and credit loan payable. This system keeps everything balanced and accurate. Double entry accounting gives businesses complete financial control.
Master this system, and you understand the language of business. Like, subscribe, and keep learning.